EOF. What is EOF? Okay, EOF is what? How to read the data from the file. What is EOF character? What is
End
EOF?
of file. End of
End
file.
of, yeah, end of file. What is ASCII value for this? -1. ASCII -1. Not ASCII value. That EOF value is a -1. They have defined like this. As defined, EOF is -1. EOF value is -1. Okay. Uh, See how to find out a last character. See, uh, in the file, what is the last character? In the file, what is the last character? After this, what last character will be there? What is this last character value? This last character value is what? EOF. This is the last character is the EOF. Okay. Now I want to read the data from the file. How to read the data from the file? One file pointer is there. FE is a file pointer. FE is a file pointer. Okay, always it points to the 0th position, this 00 location. You understood, right? File pointer is points to the 0 location. What is the last location value? That is EOF. Okay, clear this? See, I have written some data like this. Welcome to, okay, online classes. See, what is the last character? What is the first? What is the last character is EOF is. Last character is EOF, guys. Last character is EOF. Okay, this is EOF character. This is EOF. What is this file pointer will be point to 0 this location always point to this location. Okay, if you use using functions, we can move this cursor to forward direction or backward direction also we can use. Okay, if I use fscanf function, if I use fscanf formatted data, we can read fscanf. If you know the data in the file, okay, if you know the formatted, right, one record is there, student number, student name. If you know format, then you can use fscanf. Okay, if you don't know what kind of data is there, we can use character format and fgetc. We can use fgets of this. Using string format, you can read. If you know formatted data, we can use fscanf function. If you don't know that format data, we can use fgetc or fgets. Okay, string format is there. If it is string format, you can use fgets. If you don't know that format, fgets. Previous program, record format is there, we can use fscanf. We can use fscanf, right? Okay, how to read fscanf, how to read fgetc, both I will tell you. Fscanf and fgetc. Okay, see how to use fgetc. Understood, right? Yeah. Before that, write this FUOF function. What is FUOF function? Right, guys? Using this function, by using this function, we can find out EOF character position. Guys, write that line. By using this predefined function, we can find out EOF character position. FUOF. What is FUOF? By using this predefined function, we can find out EOF character position. After that, write this. When we are working with the FUOF function, if file pointer is pointing to EOF character, write those 2 points. Write those 2 points. I will explain. Okay, what is FUOF function? If file pointer is pointing to the UOF character, then it returns to non-zero value. If it is pointing to other than UOF character, then it returns 0 position. The syntax also right. I will explain about this. I will explain about this. Finished this? Write these 2 points. I will explain what is FEOF. Okay. Yeah, see, how to read the data from the file. How to read data from the file, we'll discuss now. We discuss now, guys. See, while main program execution starts from main, one file pointer is required. See, guys, file pointer is required. File store fp, you know this. And file name, enter the file name. 20 character size I have taken. One character also I take. Okay, what is that character use? I will tell you. First, enter the file name. How to enter the file name? You know this, right? Enter the file name. How to enter? Enter file name. Okay, how to enter file name? See this. We can use getters of fname. Getters of fname. Okay, file name. Okay, open that file. FUIFS, F open up, F open up, F name. Open which mode you want to open? Read mode I want to open. Open read mode. If we are writing, if file is opened, if file is opened, successfully opened, if fp equals to null, this is what reading. This is we are opening in read mode. If you open in read mode, see what will happen. If you open in read mode, see here I have taken fp equals to null. Read mode you are opening. If fp equals null means what is the meaning? File doesn't exist. File does not exist. Okay, file doesn't exist. Doesn't exist, right? Reading means if file is there, then only we can read. Else, if file is there, then how to read? Okay, one by one character you have to read. Okay, I use fgetc. Okay, what is fgetc? See, example, I want to open online 3 or online 2 file. Okay, this is file I want to open. Okay, fgetc. What is fgetc? One by one character. I don't know the format, which format it is there. That's why character format or string format you can use. Fgetc of, if I use fgetc of fp, what will happen? File pointer will move one character position. Example, here file is there, right? Here pointer is pointing to this location. If pointer is pointing to this location, guys. If pointer is pointing to this location, now what will happen if I write ch equals to this? What is ch value? First ch equals to fgetc of fp. First value stored in w value, right? This is ch1. Assume it is ch1. Okay, if I write ch2 equals to, now what I'm writing here, ch2 equals to fgetc of fp. Again, I executed this line. If I execute this line, what will happen? This file pointer will move to the next location. It is moving to the next location. Okay, execute this loop. Keep in a loop. If I keep in loop, next L value stored in ch1, C value stored in ch2, O value stored in ch1, E value stored in ch2, and assume up to what is the last character, EOF, right? It moves the cursor one character. Fgetc moves one character. If I use a format, fgetS, one string format it uses. Printf, that is the format specifier. Depends upon format specifier, it will move. Clear this? Okay, here we are reading the cursor. Get C character format. It moved to the next character. It moved to the next character. It moved to the next character. Right now, what will happen? I want to keep in next mode. If it is the last character is a null, if it is the last character is a EOF character, then stop this. Okay, how to write that logic? Now I want to write. Now I want to read. See, keep in while mode. Keep while. See, guys. Now what I'm writing? While of. Why am I writing while of? C? While of. What condition now to write? I will tell you. What condition now to write? One by one character you are reading. Read ch equals to fgetc of f character. Fgetc of fp. File pointer will move one character stored in ch. Okay. Now printf. Print that character. Print that character. How to print? %lc ch value I'm printing. Okay, here what I have to write a condition up to the last character. Up to the last character means feof of f3. What is feof? This will move when it is moving. When it is moving, it checks whether it is null or null. Okay. What is feof function? Check it. What is feof function, guys? Tell me. What is feof? When it is see, if it is pointing to EOF character, then it is a non-zero value it returns. Okay. If it is pointing to null character, example, Assume if it is pointing to here, if it is pointing here, what value it returns? Non-zero value. Non-zero means it won't return a non-zero value. Example 5 it is returning. If it is returning 5, okay, if it is pointing to the null character, it points 0, it returns 0. Are you following? It returns 0. If it is pointing to the null character, it returns 0. If it is not returning normal value, it returns. Now if it is not returning anything, if it is pointing to this character, now what it returns? 5 or 6 number it points, right? Are you following what I'm saying? See, file pointer, what it is pointing. If it is pointing to UOF character, then it returns a non-zero. If it is pointing to other than UOF character, then it returns 0. If it is pointing to UOF character, understood? Yeah, see what I'm doing. If it is not pointing, okay, if it is not pointing, then it returns 0. It returns 0. That's why not value I want to write. Not value. If I return a not value, then what will happen? First it's 0, it returns 0, it returns, then it is true, then 0, it returns 0. When it is pointing to UOF, then it returns the number, then it returns 0 value, then it comes outside. Okay, see, if file is executed, I will give a small delay. I will give a small delay, delay of 100, delay of 100. Once execute undefined symbol file. So what is required to write? Hash include stdio.h, save that file, save as ol2.c. Once execute, enter the file name d drive online3.txt. See, welcome to files concept using fputs. Got it, right? That is reading from that file. This is, if you don't know the format, okay, if you know the format, then how to write. Okay, first write this. If you don't know the format, we can write like this. If we format is no, right? If it is a record format, means record student number, student name, then how to read. This is, it is valid also for student number 1 also, it is valid. See, student, what I have written, 1.txt. It execute this 1010 Ramesh ECE. See this 102 Yogi CSC 2 for this 1014 Umar mechanical this 1015 Hari CSC, and that is stopped. Okay, when it is this, it stopped, right? We can read. If you know exact I want in the variables, then you can use f get c, f get scan, sorry, scanf. We can use f scanf. We can use, write this program how to read data from the